Hello and welcome to our tutorial for the Bachelor of Business Administration. At TRU, a bachelor degree is 120 credits, which is about 40 courses at 3 credits each. If English is not your first language, you probably have an IELTS or a TOEFL. Pause the video to see your English placement based on your scores. If you took a different test, we'd be happy to help you with your English placement. This chart shows all the courses for each level of ESL. And this chart will help you with your math placement. Again, if you're not sure, contact Academic Advising and we're happy to help you. Here's a guideline for a typical schedule of Year 1 courses in the BBA. Please note, courses can be switched around as long as you've met the prerequisites for each course. At ESL Level 5, depending on your math placement, you could take economics or math, or you could take one of these great electives. Academic Advising is here to help you be successful. Please don't hesitate to contact us.